Hey there, fellow preppers. Welcome back to Doomsday-Prepper, your go-to source for all things prepping. Today we're diving into the ultimate guide to doomsday prepping. Whether it's a societal collapse, civil war, nuclear war, or even World War III, we've got you covered. First up, let's understand the scenarios we're prepping for. Society collapse. This could be due to economic failure, natural disasters, or pandemics. Basic services like healthcare and law enforcement might break down. Civil war. Widespread violence and division can lead to resource scarcity and insecurity. Nuclear war, immediate destruction, and long-term radiation hazards are the main threats here. World War III, a global conflict disrupting international trade, leading to widespread destruction. Now that we know what we're prepping for, let's talk about the essentials. Here are the top survival tips you need to know. Tip number 1, food and water supplies. Stockpile non-perishable foods, canned goods, dried foods, and freeze-dried meals. Rotate your stock to keep it fresh. Water storage and purification. Aim for at least 1 gallon per person per day. Use purification tablets, filters, and portable purification devices. Tip number 2, shelter and safety. Home fortification. Reinforce your doors and windows. Have a safe room or bunker for severe threats. Bug out location. Find a secondary location away from urban centers where you can relocate if needed. Tip number 3, medical supplies and health. First aid kits. Stock up on bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and prescription meds. Medical training. Basic first aid and CPR training are crucial. Take a course to be prepared. Tip number 4, self-defense and security. Firearms and ammunition. Ensure you're trained in the safe and legal use of firearms. Non-lethal defense tools, pepper spray, and tasers can also provide protection. Tip number 5, communication. Emergency radios. Keep a battery-powered or hand-crank radio for news and emergency broadcasts. Communication plans. Set up a plan with family and friends to stay in touch during a disaster. Tip number 6, skills and knowledge. Survival skills. Learn firemaking, foraging, fishing, hunting, and basic mechanics. Gardening and farming. Growing your own food can be crucial for long-term survival. Tip number 7, financial preparedness. Cash reserve. Keep cash on hand since digital banking systems might fail. Precious metals. Invest in gold and silver as they can retain value during economic collapse. Becoming a prepper means being proactive, not fearful. Here's how to get started. Assess risks and plan. Identify threats in your area and tailor your prep. Build a community. Connect with like-minded folks to share resources and support. Continuous learning. Stay informed and update your skills. Attend workshops and read survival guides. Practice drills. Regularly practice emergency drills with your family. Thanks for watching. Remember, prepping is about ensuring you and your loved ones are safe and ready for any situation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more survival tips.